What's good guys? So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to install Python libraries using Jupyter Notebook. So before installing Python libraries, you have to make sure you have your Python installed, you have your Jupyter Notebook and an internet connection as well. So you start by opening your Jupyter Notebook, then you create a new cell code and type in this command, which is pip install. Then you bring in the name of the library you want to install, which is pandas, and pandas is used for data manipulation. So anytime you are trying to install a Python library, you have to bring this command, then you bring in the name of the library. After that you press shift and enter to run your. So once the code is done running, we want to check if the library was properly installed. So I'm going to type import, then I'll bring in the name of the library, which is pandas, then I'll press shift and enter. Since we didn't get any error, that means the code has been properly installed. In case we would like to uninstall the library, you just type in this command, so you type in pip uninstall, then you bring in the name of the library, and don't forget to bring in this exclamation mark before the pip. Okay guys, that will be it for today's tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.